Hey everybody, I'm Justin with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're taking a quick look at and installing the Speedform fuel door cover shown here in matte black, available for your 2008 and newer Challenger. Now, long story short here guys, you should be considering the Speedform option if you are looking to ditch the factory chrome fuel door on your Challenger and instead go with a stealthy matte black option that still retains a lot of the factory retro styling, all at a very affordable price point. So the main feature here with the Speedform kit will be the blacking out, if you will, of the factory chrome fuel door for a super affordable price. Now the chrome, while appealing to some owners out there and true to that old school look, doesn't really vibe with the owners who are looking to black everything out on their rides, from the lights to the wheels and more. Now, if that sounds like you and you're that type of owner, well then this is certainly going to be a great option. Now the Speedform is going to deliver that blacked out look, of course, for not a lot of dough. And I would say still retains a lot of that OE styling down to the font, minus that chrome, of course, which, let's face it, is notorious for getting beat up, chipped, or pitted over the years. And this is a great time to segue into the construction, as the Speedform will replace that factory chrome door with a combination of plastic, basically for some of the interior portions here, guys, in addition to the little collar. But mainly what you're going to be looking at is aluminum for the door itself. You get that nice clunk in addition to your actual surround here. That's all hardcore aluminum, and it will be very, very durable. Now, everything has been finished in a UV resistant matte black to help achieve that stealthy look we've been talking about that a lot of owners are really after. Finally guys, again, I mentioned it earlier, but the wording for fuel here is embossed in the aluminum cover there in a very similar, if not the same font as the stock cover for an OE inspired appearance. Now, coming in at or around the $50 ballpark, the Speedform option is currently the most affordable black fuel door on the site here for your Challenger. Other options, whether it be from Drake or Mopar, will run you hundreds more than the Speedform on the table today. So again, if you're looking to go dark but keep things budget friendly, this is going to be your best bet. All right guys, moving into the installation, you'll be happy to know that this is a clip-on piece, much like the Stalker. Therefore, the site is going to call this a solid 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and about 30 minutes to complete from start to finish. And now to give you a better idea of just how things might go down at home, here's an American Muscle customer to walk you through it.
Today, I'm going to be doing an install of the Speedform matte black fuel door. No tools are necessary. You might want to have some gloves on just to keep your hands clean, things of that nature. Only thing we're going to be doing is going under the under fender part and pressing out 4 clips that surround the gas cap area. As you can see, this one, this one, this one, and this one. It mimics the OEM product that we're going to be replacing with the Speedform. So let me show you the panel real quick. It's just an under fender panel. It's not even hooked onto anything. You just want to reach up in here with your hand. There should be plenty of space as long as you have tire clearance. So you're going to reach under here. You're going to bend this back. You're going to take your hand. You're going to feel underneath the gas can for the little push pins. Once you start pushing them out, you should see the fuel can start to protrude. 4 simple pins. Like, you should have plenty of space to reach up under here. Now that we got nose loose, we're gonna open up the fuel door, open up the fuel cap, remove it from the OEM housing. You can use a pry tool, but it just pops right out. Simple pin. We're going to keep this because we're going to put it on the new door. Once you have these 4 pins popped out, sometimes they like to slide back in. Make sure you have all of them pushed out. Apologies, they keep sliding back in. Now that you have them all pushed out, you want to grab the whole housing and pull it off the rubber gasket itself. And it's as simple as that. 4 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the OEM original one, we removed the full fuel door. Now we're going to replace it. We took the rubber part, it popped right off of the OEM. We're going to clean this up. We're going to clean that area before we place the new housing in. We're going to take the brand new fuel door. We're going to put in the fuel cap. Pops right in. Hook it onto the door. And we're going to make sure that the new O-ring lines up with the gasket. We're going to push that on there. You want to invert it out, give it some play so it can slide over the gasket. Finally popped it on, so you want to curl it outward so that it can slip over the line. And then once you do that, you just want to click the 4. Two, 4. Once that's done, place your gas cap, clean off the area, and there you go.
So wrapping things up here, guys, again, if you did want to ditch that chrome stock cover and go with an affordable stealthy black option instead, be sure to check out this fuel door from Speedform right here at AmericanMuscle.com.